Williams I hold chamfer foil. And just, I'm using this holder, like whatever is that's a hanger. Okay, so I just using this to be a really casual way because some of you don't have a nail tip base. So something that at home you can use it to be really convenient. And then some of you couldn't like going out and get shopping and get this and then plus be home and be safe. So just to want to show you the way you can do it, okay? It doesn't look attractive, fancy to me, but hey, it works for all of you. All right. For this set, Corina, for this set, like this set, right? We sold other couple set that for our clients because they want to. It's like, oh my God, this one is the almond shape, but we sold like several of set like this, but in coffins and. Like this is not like even we post it out. This is a local, the clients who were seeing it and then oh my God, I really want. So this set is start from $75. Like if you have 3 nails with the main ones crystals and one chamfer foil with a little crystals and another ones were really nice, like it put it together. It's not like a pie and all the crystal and everything because we give them 20 nails. So it doesn't matter if someone's really good and really measure is good and then really good with this, they can get 2 set out of this. But you know, we don't mind because that's the last thing you have to be frustrated if they can't like measure their nails, like the size of their nails properly, and then if you put it on and it didn't fit, and then they might like, well, that's what I measure and why it doesn't fit, you know, you see what I mean? So then it's the last thing we have to deal with, and we want clients to be happy. So here you go, you get 20 nails. You can do whatever you want with, and doesn't matter what size, it's gonna fit perfect in this because we'll give you 20 nails, and so far it's great. And then this is $85 for this because it's got more dramatics, you know, like crystal placing on and at longer almonds, and the clients love it. And we included them with this. Want to open it a little bit and see what it's in here to share with you. So if you create some press on like this, is this like something that temporary right now you're doing, but you know, also it's being a great something that you could do it at the salon even after quarantine, because a lot of clients who have younger children in the family and they want some nice nails, like professional nails. Like I'm not talking about like going out there and it's just grab like whatever press on or glue on nails. This is like actually it's from your talent, your skill that you're doing it. Like exactly clients getting their crystal placement. So do you hear that one? Yes. This one after 30 seconds here. So it doesn't matter. You can pick whatever spot that you want. And okay, I'm gonna go this side because it looks like the G like this side. Okay, place that on. Please come off for me. Perfect. It's really hard because there's no base. It's just flimsy, but we get managed as well if you have a good tacky like base on the nail tip base. You can design that. Just try to come off. So just the nail tip base is more like there you go. It's come right off. Just wonder, did you keep it for 30 seconds? Or 15 seconds? It's okay. is totally fine because I am going to do some crystal on this one anyway. So now this transfer really good though. You can you plug it in? Okay, so now I am going to use condensed glue gel again. And I get my condensed glue gels and then trim tip brush, and we're gonna dress this one cute. Hey Brad, how are you? So I going, instead of using this, it's too far away, so I go in opposite way. So this is the tutorial sharing with all of you who is the nail techs and you are doing a press on, glue on to support your clients and then to keep your clients like happy. This one is them. There you go. Great. What side that crystal, Debbie? Are you talking about this one? This crystal? This one are mixed jars and they start from size SS4 to all the way to size SS16. Just for your information, Miss Debbie. Hey, thanks, Sarah. I'm really enjoying it, and like your Sarah's get the openings, unboxings, the Glitz anniversary box. Like so excited, and she did really cool fall designs too. So no white top coat. And I am going to do some fun charm on this one. Like I don't care, I'm gonna get the however you want. Like you feel a tropical way. Any charms you want. Thing super cute. And I'm gonna dress this one up. And the main one I'm gonna using others. There you go. Can you see that? Just make sure Instagram and Facebook can see. They can absolutely, your clients can still really enjoying it even though they have the press on or glue on nails. And I got, if you, I don't remember, I don't know if you remember last set before I have this set on, I have hoe and tie on the other hand. I did is press on and glue on my nails and it will last 2 weeks. We really don't like want the clients to wearing a press on or glues on all the rest of their life. I don't think they want it either, but in the meantime right now they love to get some things on their nails. Some clients that really don't mind either to pay for your custom. Is custom, it means that you have a custom from all the size and the design that they want. Hey Tammy, how are you? And after you design all of this, like 4 or 5 nails, you can just like polish the rest of them the way you want it. Like if you want the some colors in this look, or you can do green, blue, or whatever colors were matching that your clients will like. But I would think it's gonna go really well together. Great, I think I'm happy with that. I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. And make sure they're not gonna hang off right there. Great. Usually when I do for 20 nails, for instance, I have like two LED lights on my side, both the left and the right, so I can cure them really fast. So that's a tip and trick too, Vicky. I'll like cure 2 of them. That's why it's that so fast. Those who ask them, why you're faster than me? The Glamgler, are they reusable after 2 weeks wear, or you do them away? Yeah, it says great. Thank you so much, Sarah. This really depends. It really depends how you weighing it. Like if you was really like hard on your nails, your hands, and after 2 weeks, then you probably want a new set. So I am gonna using a next one. Oh, just dropped that. All right, let me do precision glue for this beautiful nails. It looks really cute, but even the press-ons or glue-on nails, I always sharing and repeating it because just in case your clients is getting like they still have to do normal activities, so we're not gonna want them to catching on the hair or the nails at all. Great. I'm gonna fill it in because it had all the charms in there. The charms will might catching on the client's hair, so we want to make sure. Again, I am going to use a twin tip brush on the line, on the ends, the liner ends. Give it a swipe. So then after you cure the nails, they will all the crystals and the charms on the sides will look really nice and flawless. It doesn't look lumpy with extra glue gels in there. Cure for 60 seconds, and this nail is gonna be completely done too.